Well, it looks like another typical day here in the Pacific Northwest. Getting fall-like weather. We got rain turning to scattered showers today. Knew that was coming. Yesterday was pretty clear, so I ended up doing a little bit of work right there on the trailer. So yesterday, I went down and picked up a few things over at Ace Hardware, as you can tell. Went and picked up an elbow, a coupler, a valve, some CPVC, and brought it all home. Picked up a couple of self-tapping screws too. Brought it all home, went to work on the trailer. Now, you remember that valve that I showed you before? Just came straight down and had to basically unscrew everything, reach underneath and unscrew it, just to drain the holding tank. Well, we decided to fix it. So what I did was I went and cut that off. I went and hooked up the elbow to the existing pipe that was coming down. Cut off a section of CPVC pipe, stuck it on there, and then I went and put a coupler on right next to the frame of the trailer, and a little bit more section of CPVC, and then the valve. In the interim, I seemed to trying to get the self-tapping screws to go up into the frame of the trailer. Doesn't work. I would suggest getting a drill bit of the proper size and drilling a hole into the trailer frame where you're going to mount your 1-inch 2-hole strap, which is what I used, and drill a couple of holes in there, get it ready for the self-tapping screw. As you can see, I went and was holding the self-tapping screw with one hand, trying to get the drill in there, and the whole thing slipped out. And luckily enough, it was just the Phillips bit that drilled through my finger. Not much of a blood loss. It only took a little band-aid, but still, it was a mishap. Anyway, got the trailer winterized. After that, I went and drained out all the water, made sure everything worked, and now the trailer is all set for winter. I got the hot water tank uncoupled there, had it draining, and I left the cap off of that. Got all the valves on the water outlets in the open position, so it's at a slow drain. Trying to get all the residual stuff out there. Plus, that way, in case it freezes over, then if it ices up, the ice has somewhere to breathe and may come out. You never know. We don't expect that harsh a winter, but one can never tell. Anyway, tools used were the drill, so the drill bit, the screwdriver bit, a hacksaw for cutting the CPVC, tape measure for measuring it all out, and the glue for putting it all together. This is what the final product looked like. As you can see, and all came together pretty well. Anyway, if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down in the comments below. you like this video, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, do whatever you need, and hope to catch you on the next video. Until then, I'll say happy camping and shoot straight. Bye for now.